Hello, my name is Tiffany Stevens. Today's date is 2/10/2018. This is for Bio 240 Week 5. So I was supposed to show you how I did my lab exercise for this week for one of the labs. My balloon popped. So I'm just going to read off the readings that I got and how I got them. All right, so for the normal breathing I got for 30 seconds, I did the first was 10, then 11, then 10 again for an average of 10.33. The number of breaths in 1 minute, I got 20. So I was seeing how many breaths I got in a minute. But for this one, the next one, it was the tidal volume measure. So I would take a deep breath in and blow everything I had in my lungs out into a balloon. After I would hold the balloon and then measure the circumference around it. For the first one, I got 53.5. And then 55, and then 54.5 for an average of 54.33. So that was that. The resting ventilation measure average radius at rest was 8.65. The tidal volume at rest was 2,709. The minute ventilation was 55.96. So on the next part of it, my height in centimeters was 60.2 and my weight in kilograms was 67.132 for a BSA of 2.92. The force vital capacity was 5.84. Force vital capacity was 61.5, 62, 62.5 for a volume of the balloon using the largest circumference was 4,124. Now, I am really horrible at numbers, so it took me a second to figure out how to actually do these conversions, so I hope my numbers are right. But I just followed it on the instructions and hopefully it was right. So the force volume capacity estimate from the data I collected, I took 4,124, divided it by 1,000 for a total of 4.145. So, wait. 4.14 liters. So estimated lung volume was 4,214 plus 1.1 liters equaled 5,221 or 24 liters. Now, the exercising ventilation measure, number of breaths that I took in a minute, was 26. 27, 27 for an average of 26.66. The average circumference of the balloon at that time was 44.5, 45 for a estimate of 44.5. The average amount of liters for me was 1.482 liters, and the minute ventilation was 39.8 liters. No. 39.81. So that is how I completed my lab assistant for this week. Again, I'm horrible with numbers, so hopefully I did that right. Until next time, thank you.